In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to your Shopify store. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you can confidently customize the look of your store without needing to be a coding expert. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Online Store. This will open a page where you can see your current theme. Find the theme you're using and click the button that says Edit or Customize Theme. This will open the online store editor where you can visually edit different sections of your site. Once you're inside the editor, click on the section where you want to add a custom background image. This could be your homepage banner, a featured collection section, or any other block that supports custom CSS. With that section selected, look over to the left-hand panel and scroll down until you see an option labeled Custom CSS. Click it and a text box will appear. This is where you'll paste the CSS code for your background image. Go ahead and copy the code provided along with this tutorial and paste it into that box. You can pause the video if you need more time to copy it accurately. Next, we need to upload the actual image you want to use. Leave the editor open and go back to your main Shopify dashboard. Again, look at the left-hand panel and click on Content. Under Content, select Files. This is where all your uploaded files, like images and documents, are stored. At the top right, click Upload Files, then choose the image file you want to use as your background from your computer. When the upload is complete, find that image in the list and click the copy link icon to copy its URL. Now head back to your online store editor. In the custom CSS box where you pasted the code earlier, find the part that says URL and paste the image link inside the parentheses and quotation marks. This tells the browser exactly which image to use. Take a look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see that the background of the section has changed to your chosen image. If you want the same background image on another section, simply copy all of the CSS you just added, click on a different section, open its custom CSS area, and paste the same code there. You can repeat this process for any sections you'd like to style with that background. Once everything looks the way you want, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes to the live store.